Hey folks, Internet Dude here. Hey, I got some bad news. Something really not fun just happened. Got my truck in the shop today. I've just been doing some work. I pulled the seat out, different things. And here's what I was doing. I got this new rear view mirror that has a built-in dash cam and it has a backup camera. So I went to remove the factory mirror up here and I broke the glass. Don't do that. So the mirror was up there, and what I was doing is I had these two tools. I was using this one and I was using this one, and they both seem very similar to the tools you get online that you can buy to remove the mirror. And I was putting it at the back of the mirror here, and there's a little piece of sticky tape here, and that was holding the remote start antenna on. And I was simply kind of trying to pry at these clips and slide the mirror up, and it just broke right off. So that's not a good day. You can see there some of the glass is broken. The little tab that's on the windshield is no longer on the windshield, so not quite sure what I'm going to do yet, but we'll take a look and see. I can see just a little crack starting to the left here, so I don't know. I think I'm going to probably have to wind up buying a new windshield. So just be careful. Even if you see the videos with the tools, just be careful. Yeah. So what you're trying to do is push this clip with the tool, and then the mirror slides up and off. But yeah, that sucks. So just thought I'd share that with you, because I searched YouTube on removing that mirror, and even if you follow what they show, you still might have a bad day. All right, click that thumbs up if you like that I broke my windshield, and yeah, subscribe for more F-150 stuff. Thanks for watching.